Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me XIAOMI 13T Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So first thing you can do is to open the settings, then scroll down, find your battery and enable the performance mode. Of course, in this mode your smartphone will overheat, but in this mode your smartphone will live longer and will be faster. The second aspect you can do is to open the storage. So find the storage in your settings. To do it, into find about phone and click storage. And in storage, if you have used over the 70% of storage, you need to clean your space up, because if your storage is full, your processor is trying to sort objects in the storage, but it needs virtual storage, it has no space to do it, and it's trying to be more economy with your storage resources, and your device is starting to slowing down. So I suggest you not to fill the storage over the 70%, because it's just the base for any device, not for XIAOMI devices, but for any devices you have. Great. Then after you have freed 30% free, you need to scroll down, find additional settings in settings, then scroll down, find memory extension and enable 5 or 7 gigabytes of memory extension, and then reboot your device. I will click later, but you need to reboot your device. I have enabled 3 right now. So in this mode your smartphone is using the part of your internal storage like a RAM, and in this way so you have very fast internal storage, and in this way your device can use your internal storage like part of RAM, and you can expand your RAM and you don't pay for it, you don't need to pay for it. Okay, so it's a very good feature. And of course you need to open from time to time. I suggest you to schedule this in your calendar. Open about phone and scroll down and find here storage, then scroll down, click free up, and it will search in your device old cache files, old obsolete files, and residuals files, of course, and click clean memory. I have all these files right now because I have freed it from my device several minutes ago. But if you're using your device, if you're using it often, so you have what to clean. So trust me, try to do it several times a month, so once a week, and you will keep your device in good condition. That's it. Thanks for watching. It was rules of how to make device faster, how to keep device fast. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.